Hey there, welcome to Striker Bytes. Today we're going to be installing the Jellyfin media server system. This software is an alternative to Plex and Emby if you're not into those platforms. It's free and open source and can easily be installed using Docker. So today we're going to install it using the linuxserver.io image and connect our media libraries to it. Alright, first we're going to click on Container. Then we will click Add Container. We'll call this one Jellyfin. And we will use the linuxserver.io image. Linux server / Jellyfin. We are going to publish 1, 2, 3 ports. We're going to publish port 8096 for our HTTP interface. We will publish 7359 so your clients can discover your server on your local network. Make sure you check UDP for this one. The next port is optional. It's going to be port 1900. It's good if you want to serve media to your DNLA clients. All right, we'll scroll down and we'll click volumes. We will add 5 volumes. And they're all going to be bind mounts, so I'm going to click bind on every one of them. All right, the first volume we need to map is for the configuration folder, so /config in the container. This will be the folder that you've created on your host machine to map to the configuration folder. In my case, it's /home /pi /docker /jellyfin fin/config. And next is going to be our media folders. So for this container, all of our media folders need to be in /data. So the first folder we're going to create is a TV folder. And on the host, I've created a folder at /home /pi /media /tv. And we'll do the same for our movies folder. Our music folder. And our regular videos folder. Okay, and next we need to go to environment variables. We will add 3 environment variables. Because this is a Linux server container, we'll need to add the process user ID, set the volume to 1000, and the process group ID, set the value to 1000, and set our time zone. And because this is a server, we're going to change our restart policy to unless stopped. And now we can deploy the container. All right, our container is successfully created. We'll check our logs to make sure everything's running smoothly. Looks like it's started here. So we'll go back to containers. The port that we published for our web user interface is 8096. So we will go to our Docker host IP address, :8096, and we should see Jellyfin. All right, and now we can set up Jellyfin. Now, when you click on Add Media Library, you can select your content type. We'll select music. We'll let the display name stay music. And then we'll add our music folder. And we can select our folder. There's our music folder that we mapped. Hit OK. You can change the various settings. And then we will add our TV folder. Click on Next. Click on your preferred language in the country that you live in. Click on Next. And you can choose whether or not you want to allow remote connections to your server. I'm going to uncheck this because I don't have the need. And you're done. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment in the section below. If we helped you at all, go ahead and hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks.